description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got the last of the Meet the Manufacturer with Moon Food. This is another packaging version of their spicy sesame, baby can you love, dry noodle. This stuff has been so great. It's been a while since I've done really any Taiwanese dry noodle, and it's been a blast, so I'm really excited to... I mean, it was like, that was the first one I did 2 days ago, and now this will be the last one. But I'm doing it again just because I really want to touch on everything that they had sent. So... yeah, I can tell you this is going to be a 5-star if it's exactly the same as the other one, which I'm sure it is, but yeah. But how's it going? It's, well, my phone is blowing up, but it's Monday, no. They're fooling me. It's Tuesday, September 2nd, 2025. We had Labor Day yesterday. That's why I feel like today is Monday. It's like we got a couple Saturdays or a couple Sundays. Wow, wait a second. The 3-day weekend is over? How'd that happen? That was fast. How weird. But, yeah. Yeah. And I dropped the fork. I don't know if that's a good omen or a bad omen. Get a new fork here. Alright. And, wow. What is that? I'm getting like tons of weird notifications. Like tons. I don't know why. Let's just say, oh, yeah, you know, dude, I am really all good with getting the constant people trying to reach out and retool my website or my YouTube video thumbnails or all that crap. You might not get this stuff if you're not a creator. That's what they call bloggers and vloggers and blogosphere, and that term kind of actually dried up. I haven't heard anybody use the term blogosphere in quite a while. But yeah. But they want to do SEO, search engine optimization. So, you know, it makes it so more people see your stuff, you get more subs, you do all this stuff. If you find my stuff and you really like it, you're going to keep watching it. That's the way I figure. I don't know if they're going, you know, I just try to block these people because I'm not interested. I'm not shelling out money. Sorry. You're barking up the wrong tree. Yeah. Happy September. That's what I say. So my plan is to get to my 5,500th review on the ramenraider.com and then not do any for a month. It's like a personal challenge because it's like I like doing this. But we'll see. We'll see. It'll either happen or it won't. Will it happen? Won't it happen? I just don't know. And if it does happen, which is a possibility, then all of a sudden you'll see an episode, and then I'll be saying it's like September 4th, September 5th, something like that. And then all of a sudden I'll say it's October. It will be seamless for you, the viewer. Because at this point, I believe I'm over, probably end of day today, I'll be over 200 reviews ahead, which is a lot. And yeah, I mean, it's the 1st of September, 2nd of September. I think this episode's coming out, what, late June? Are we into, is it Groundhog Day yet? I don't know, but I'm curious what the weather will be getting this year. If it's gonna snow or not. What are we doing here, folks? Come on, boil. Not too hard, but boil. Although you're cooking pretty darn good. Yeah, my daughter really likes these things. Not this particular variety because it's spicy, but the black truffle. She had that for dinner last night. And, you know, this stuff is doing what... Oh, poop. It's doing what Taiwanese dry noodle does best to me. It boils over. And I'm sure most people would say, well, why aren't you using a larger pot? Well, it's because I don't have time to boil in the larger pot. The larger pot takes longer. And it doesn't have the pour spout. Although this one gets drained, so I don't really need the pour spout. Anyway. It's getting loose. It's cooking. But yeah, good weekend. Shot some video of the sunflowers and the birds. I don't know how much I'm going to use of that, but I'm sure I'll use a modicum. Like that word. But yeah. In big news, China, Russia, and India had a little party and hung out. I think that was directly related to us punishing India with steep tariffs. There's a lot of people from India here. That's going to make their stuff skyrocket in price. They vote. That's what it all comes down to. You do a crummy job, it's going to be reflected. Wow, this guy. I don't know where he's from, but he's certainly getting a no vote from my camp. Where'd I put it? Where'd I put it? But yeah, some of these SEO people are like, "Hi, how you doing? Did you get my last message?" I'm really not interested, and I know that if I talk to you, you're gonna send all your SEO buddies to try and hit me up as well. Dead account. Nobody's here. Nobody's home. But yeah, it's really irritating. Yes, I have a website. Yes, I'm on YouTube. No, I don't want to buy 10,000 fake Instagram followers. No, I don't want you to like fiddle with my website and make it what you think would look better. I tried working with a company to do that, and it was just like a nightmare. They were like, oh, well, first off, you need to make it so there's less reviews on your site because there's too many. No. Can you do this? No. We need access to this. Oh, no. That was a long time ago. A long time ago when I had to deal with any of that stuff. Now it's like it either people I don't know. whining about things that probably don't interest you, but what should interest you is this fine, fine Taiwanese dry noodle that I'm about to stir here. Because sesame paste dry noodle is usually pretty good. And this one in particular is quite good. I really like this noodle. This is generally not my favorite gauge, I will tell you that much. Usually I like the wider one. This is more, I believe, a traditional gauge. I guess maybe they're both standard gauge. I don't know. But, yeah, Taiwanese companies, hit me up, please. And this is the second Meet the Manufacturer I've done in, like, what? A couple weeks? I did, YY from Nepal, and now I'm doing this one. That's pretty cool. I like that. Yeah, I'm gonna... I don't know, though. As soon as I started doing this, it's like, boom. All the post offices closed. So I don't know if there's much of a future as far as getting stuff from abroad. Especially from readers, that's a serious bummer. Because those are my favorite things, is the stuff people send. I've had people send all sorts of interesting things. Although companies are funny too. I've gotten some interesting stuff from companies. This stuff, though, is top notch. Oh, I forgot to wear my hat. Shoot. Noodle. Noodle says 6 to 8 minutes. I did 7. 8 would have made them softer. I like the... Yep. What I really like is how the heat level works with everything. Also, the fact that, yeah, it's not, it's got a nice Szechuan pepper flavor. It's not overwhelming. It doesn't take everything over. And the oil and sesame and soy works together. It's almost, I have to say, it's almost bacony, but all these different flavors. The interplay is just wonderful. Not a ton of ingredients in the noodles, which is kind of a hallmark of the dry noodle. Come on. Oh, you're not behaving today. Not so much, are you? Okay. I don't know how they got it in the picture, but in the imagery on their packs, they show this perfectly like spiral, peaky, thing, and it's really neat. And I wish I could duplicate that, but that is a little out of my knowledge zone at the moment. That doesn't mean I'm not going to figure it out. I can figure stuff out. Here is our pork slice. And we've got egg. I needed 2 eggs today. I made 2 eggs, and they came out, as far as I can tell, nicely. Oh, crud. This one's really runny. Now, don't fall off the knife. Dripped a little, but not too bad. Yeah, this one and the next one need an egg, and the one after that is really weird. The one after that is gonna be interesting, I can tell you that. It's gonna be one of the first times where I've gone, you know what, I'm gonna save them a bit of their life by starting the preparation process before the episode even starts. There we go. That looking nice, okay. I think I like it. The egg did drip a little bit, but some sesame to go with the sesame. And honestly, I want to use some pepper thread. A little bit of added color. It's also an extra challenge because getting this stuff to look just right with my camera is a little extra work, but I like that. Yeah. But there you go, the last of the 3-part Moon Food series. Absolutely spectacular, top-notch Taiwanese dry noodle. Well, thank you again to the kind folks over at Moon Food, not only for sending me some noodles, but for making them in the first place. It's good stuff. The next one we went on a trip to the, on a noodle hunt, and we went to 2 places, and I scored pretty big. Found a bunch of stuff. This is Indomie. Package kind of was tough to open for scanning and all that, but this is Indomie from the country of Turkey, and this is just a chicken flavor variety. Tavuk aromali. So, yeah, that'll be on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.